Hey y'all. Y'all, tonight we're gonna be using a Deco Exchange exclusive sign. Look how cute. All right, y'all. I would prefer you do it with alcohol white, so if you don't have alcohol, anything will work. If you touch your metal sign and it feels just a little bit oily, just know that like your super glue may or may not stick to it. So you want to clean it off the best you can first. This one feels a little bit oily. So we are gonna use our DAP Rapid Fuse super glue, and we're just gonna put a little dab in all four corners. All right, and until that super glue cures, I like to just put a little bit of hot glue. Y'all, hot glue will not hold on metal, but it will be enough to hold it until our super glue cures in 24 hours. All right, we're gonna let this dry. All right, y'all, I'm gonna start with our fabric mesh. It's a 10-inch. We're gonna make little 10-inch poofs right around the center. All right, so just measure out 10 inches and put it in your next path. All right, so we got our poofs all the way around. All right, y'all, let's cut 5 30-inch pieces of each color. All right, then I'm gonna cut 8 more of this one at 20 inches. Y'all, this is a little bit different. I haven't tried this one before. I don't know if it's gonna turn out good or not, but we'll see. All right, so we did the 10-inch poofs around the top in this one. Now around the bottom, we're gonna do a 30-inch ruffle, and we're gonna alternate between these two. Okay? And then we're gonna put 20-inch ruffles of just this one on top of this one. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right. So we just curl the end up once, twice, and give it a little ruffle. And then we're gonna add that ruffle into the twist on the outside. All right, our other one, ruffle. Make sure it's nice and tight. Yo, I do love the colors on this one. All right, y'all, now we're gonna take our 20-inch, do the same thing, and add it to the top. So one curl, and scrunch down the middle. All right, and then we're just gonna add one of these all the way around the top. So this Halloween wreath sign has non-traditional Halloween colors. All right, so the verdict is we got plenty coverage. Check it out. All right, let's find our sun. Getting our pipe cleaners attached to our mounting squares. Gonna get this added. Y'all, I also love that it's like non-traditional Halloween colors. So I'm just running that pipe cleaner right through the mesh and wrapping it around the frame. Y'all, we need a bow. All right, so let's measure out about 12 inches. Give it a good pinch. Give it a good twist. And we're gonna measure out about 7.5 inches. Both ways. So I'm just gonna do black and white, the orange, purple, black, and then another black and white ribbon. And that's gonna be it on the ribbon. And then we're gonna let the sun stand out all on its own. We're gonna throw in some good Members Mark ribbon. All right, fold my pipe cleaner in half. Get it pulled nice and tight. And give it a good twist. All right, so whenever you twist it, if your ribbons don't stand to attention, it ain't right. See how they just perked up? That's what you wanted to do. Let's put this bow right up here where we want it. Perfect. Pull it nice and tight. And wrap it around your frame. All right, let's trim our ribbon. Boom. Now I'm just gonna use these two for our ribbon tails. Y'all, we're gonna need 17 of these. Same 13 inches, and we need 17 of these. So y'all, now we're just gonna take one of these, layer them on top of each other, fold it in half, get a really good pinch. Whenever you open it up, it should look like whenever you were like a little kid and you were drawing those birds in the sky. That's how it should look. All right, then do like this. I like to make the two wires touch on them and then add this all the way around the outside. All right, so whenever you put it in there like that, you're just gonna take it and separate them so that you get some really good coverage with your ribbon tails. And we're just gonna keep on doing that. I personally do not undo my twists. I just add them right on top. All right, so same thing. We're just gonna add them right into the top twist and make our little X. All right, so if you missed the beginning, we have a sign. It is not traditional Halloween colors. So I wanted to keep the ribbon colors really simple, right? So we just went with purple, orange, black, and whites so that the sign could stay the center of attention.